Good morning, sir. This is J. Pranay Vihar Reddy from second year CSC. Today, here I am going to explain you about a program about the electric board charges. Here he asked to display the names of the user, number of units consumed, and to display the electric bill. He given the conditions as follows: for 100 units, we have to charge 60 paise per unit, and for 200 units, we have to charge 80 paise per unit, and beyond 300, we have to charge 90 paise per unit. But the minimum amount to be charged is 50 rupees. And if the total amount is more than 300, the additional charge of 15% should be added. So from going to program, here first we have to include a header file, and then we have to initialize the function, declare the function main, and here the variables are declared as per their data types. Name is declared in the character, and unit and TC are declared in float type. Here we ask for the electric board charges and the username and number of units consumed. In this program, we are going for the nested if, because we have the multiple answers. So here if else statement is better to perform this logic. Here first total charge, if the units are here in the condition is if the unit is less than 100, we have to charge 0.605. So we have given the condition like this: total charge is equal to unit into 60. In the another case, if the unit is less than 300, then we will charge like this: total charge is equal to unit into 0.80 paise. Then in the another condition, beyond 300, if the bill is more, then we will charge like this: total charge is equal to unit into 0.90 paise. And coming to the such case, we have declared this in the if loop. If the total charge is less than 300, then if the total charge is greater than 300, then we have to do searches like this: total charge into 0.45, and finally we will get the total cost by giving like this, by giving the condition like this: total cost is equal to searches plus TC. Now in the output we will get the amount of bill and that costed for a person according to usage of his units, and this getch is used to get the character. And now we will, and this we can apply all these conditions in our daily life, such as for the electricity bills in our home. So coming to output, see here it is asking for the username. If we give any name, enter, then it will ask for the units consumed. If we give the units as 100, then it will display the amount, and it will display the amount that costed. So thank you, sir. This is my program.